Ni ihinda ria thiku 14 hituku kuma Murutwo wa kirathi gia form 1 thukuru-ini wa anake wa Aquinas kuga ni ahahamirwo kimwiri na aciari ake kumenya ndeto ino thutha wake kuingatwo thukuru ni undu wa bithi na undu wa kiriga ni ati we ndari na thiri o wothe wa thukuru. Kuringana na nyina wa mwana uyu ni atariirio ria mbiriirie gwikuira mwana wake ndari uria akoragwo riria akinyire mucii na akioya ihinda iraya kwenjera niki giathiaga na mbere na thutha mutheri akimumburira ati ni ahahamitwo.
It's very sad. It happened on Sunday night in his cubicle.
Nyina wa mwana uyu ari na kigiriko kinene na maithori ni atariirio ria mathire thibitari wa Avenue kuria acokire gutumwo thibitari-ini wa Thika level 5 na ithimi itiganite igitabanio na maumirira makionania muruwe ari muhahame.
He took an overdose. He was taken to hospital by fellow students who knew what had happened. The school didn't tell me anything about it. They didn't even tell me to go and pick my son, that he had attempted suicide in school.
Murutani munene thukuru-ini uyu wa Aquinas Stephen Gathi ni areganite na ndeto ino na kuga kuri na uthuthuria uratabanio niguo kumenya uma wa ndeto ino.
We had no information. You see, they are claiming it was 30th. We had Monday, 31st. No report was made to the cube prefect, no report to the class teacher, no report to the deputy, to the principal. None of us knew. And the students are there talking about it.
Thukuru uyu wa Aquinas ugite Murutwo uyu ni ari na maundu ma muthinagia ma kimucii na nginyagia ni ageretie kwiruta muoyo na kunywa dawa nyingi gukira githimi.
First to do the investigations, waiting for the police, the DCI, the experts to do it. But in a lead, we are not covering up anything. When we get any suspect, actually from our student side, that student gets a draft from them.
If the parent could just allow the boy to come to school and tell us the truth, because it also help others and it also help the boy.
Kuringana na ikundi itiganite cia kuruirira ihooto cia umundu ni makumithitie giko kiu makiuga ciiko cia ciana cia mwana kuhahamwo ni ciongererekete na njira nene na no nginyagia mwana wa kahii agitirwo.
We demand that the principal of St. Aquinas School steps down from his office pending investigations into the alleged crime.
Take your son to school, an innocent form 1, only for him to do his 4 years to come out as a perpetrator, a rapist, a violent person.
Agicokia ciĩgie ndeto ĩno Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha augite.
I'm not against homosexual, but if we are going to move like the ones we have found from moving from 1, 2, 3, 4 beds, those ones we have proclaimed that they shall be day scholars.
Toma thukuru-ini tu gukoretwo na ciiko ta ici amwe na andu aingi na nja makoretwo magikuruhania na undu uyu wa magigi. Ona thengia wa thukuru uyu wa Aquinas gukuruhanio na giko kia Murutwo kuhahamwo, thukuru uyu ni wiyumiritie na kuga nduri na uma wa ndeto ino githiururi giki riu gigitigirwo maabitha a borithi oro undu umwe na ministry ya githomo gutabania uthuthuria na kumenya uma wa ndeto ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, ni njitagwo Wangoi wa Muirori.